4月7日开始美国总统川普特别开始对全球来起对顶关税。美国白宫是表示讲，伫美东时间的拜三，川普得来宣布关税的细节，强调讲这是会以国家做基础的关税。华尔街日报的报道嘛指出讲，川普讲的对顶关税有可能会来改造对全球所有国家拢起上济20%的关税。
On Wednesday, it will be Liberation Day in America, as President Trump has so proudly dubbed it. The President will be announcing a tariff plan that will roll back the unfair trade practices that have been ripping off our country for decades. He's doing this in the best interest of the American worker.
白宫的发言人李威特美东时间30日向记者证实讲，川普会伫4月7日，伫伊嘴内面讲的美国解放日，伫6個嘅陪同之下，伫白宮嘅玫瑰花園宣布以國家為基礎嘅對頂關稅計劃。
The goal of Wednesday are country-based tariffs, but certainly sectoral tariffs. The president has said he's committed to implementing them.
在川普上台以来，重大关税计划就要互大家知影，一大堆无确定性，互市场是造成观望的气氛。31美国三大指数一开盘就开始落，后壁落后才慢慢开始变较细。但是国际股市就无这么平静啊，规工落来，包括台股在内，拢伫咧大幅落起。
We have 36 trillion in debt for a reason, and that accumulates over a long period of time. So I think what you're going to be seeing over the next couple of days will be very inspiring to a lot of people.
华尔街日报报道，川普政府目前是还未确定关税范围，但是才有可能对原本的垃圾15国对顶关税扩大到所有和美国有贸易逆差的国家，甚至嘛传出讲有可能对全球所有的国家拢扣20%的基头式关税。
We're told that it's still in flux, things are still being finalized, but we know that if he goes through with this, it could have a severe impact on costs for consumers. It is already having an impact on the markets.
美联社记者表示讲，川普上欣赏的有名经济学家拉夫分析讲，干那汽车的关税，就会当互大家消费者买车的成本加4700美金，差不多是台票15万外。但是川普的目的是要制造业回流，介绍伫短期内确实是会起，但是落尾大家嘛是会开钱来买美国货。对美国本土产业，尤其是有可能受害上深的农业州，可能就要做好短期无好过的准备。但是对川普扣关税主要对象的全球各国重大冲击，有可能才拄要开始。公司新闻洪如梅编译。